Hello guys, we are starting a new series on Azure Data Factory, that is ADF. It is same as Informatica, it is cloud-based ETL tool. So we will cover all the basic concepts and deep level concepts of Azure Data Factory in our next video. This particular video is subjected to the prerequisite of the Azure Data Factory. So prerequisite is nothing but Azure subscription. Why we need Azure subscription? To log into the Azure portal. So without having Azure subscription, we cannot log into the Azure Data Factory or Azure portal. So for that, we need Azure subscription. In this video, we will see how to create a free account to the Azure portal. So just go to Google, search Azure free subscription. Click on the first link, create your Azure account, free account today. Click on that. There are two types of account we can create: pay as you go account and start free. So this video is for learning purpose, so we are creating a start free account. We will create a free account which is demo trial account. So for this you have to log into your get your email ID. So I'm giving my email ID, Gmail account. So if you don't have any Microsoft account, so in that case you will get this error. To log into the Azure portal, you must have a Microsoft account. For that, we need to create a Microsoft account. So just click on this link, get a new Microsoft account. Next, it will just ask you some detail. It will send one code to the registered email ID. Just go to that registered email ID. I have got that code, so I'll paste that code here. Click on next. Password should be strong. Click on next. So they have asked some question. Verification complete. Now you can log into the free account section. So this will ask you some details like your first name. You have to give your first name here. Then your middle name is optional. Then you can give a last name, email ID, your phone number. Once you put your phone number here, so a verification code will be sent to your registered phone number that you need to paste here, and then some basic information like PAN card number, address line, then your city, state or postal code. After this, you can click on I agree, click on both check boxes, and then next. So one agreement will be shown there. So after that, you need to just accept that agreement, and if you once click on OK, you will get a Azure account there. So I already have an Azure account, so I'm not creating again. So you can create, just follow these steps. You can fill your details here, and you can have your Azure free trial account. So on that we can start our Azure practices, and we can see the Azure Data Factory concepts there. So just create this account. From our next video, we will start our Azure Data Factory videos.